Welcome to another episode of Gill Construction Solutions Ask Annie. Today, we're going to answer a question someone posted on our Facebook page. They wanted to know if we were a one-stop, one-shop company. That's a great question and something that you should consider when you're looking for a company to do your remodeling project. Why? There could be many parts to your project. For example, cabinets, electrical, plumbing, heating, and air. We have developed relationships with trades partners so that every phase of your project can be handled properly from conception to completion. Just another facet of Gill Construction's guarantee. So, yes, we might be considered a one-stop shop because we're going to assist you not only with your design, but the plans and renderings, the selections of materials and finishes, ordering and securing materials, the permits, everything that needs to be done on your project, again, from conception to completion. I hope this has been helpful today. Like, share, post a comment below. My name is Annie Good, and it's my pleasure to bring value and insight to your projects each week.